Valentine is almost here, and since I'm single, I decided to look like I have love on my head. Period. Anyways, I'm gonna be starting this 13 by 6 16 inches wig that I bought off Amazon. This wig was so good, super easy to start. I'm going in with my Kiss Me glue, you know what I'm saying? My Kiss Me hair glue. After spraying it and drying it till it get tacky, I went on to put on my lace and then using the comb to press it in. Yes, you need to use the comb to press it in. Press it in good before putting on your band. After putting on your band, I went ahead and tie it, and afterward, I'm just yeah, you guys can see it. So let's talk about Valentine's, guys. It's the 100th time that I'm single. How about you? And I just love watching couples. Oh my god. I'll be eating my popcorn on Valentine's Day, watching couples be in love, receive gifts. You know what I'm saying? But no, let's be for real, okay? Valentine's Day is not all about couples and stuff. It's all about love. Okay? So it's all about celebrating love, and I believe we all have love in our life, whether it's from siblings, it's from family, it's from parents. Guys, you just buy gift for someone, okay? You don't have to be a romantic partner. Just buy gift and give it to someone, surprise someone that you love. Like, look in your life. My last video, I posted, I talked about finding the love of your life before Valentine's Day. You need to be able to find the love of your life. Sometimes, even if you don't have anyone to buy a gift for, go ahead and buy the gift for yourself, okay? Buy the gift for yourself because you are the love of your life. Stop waiting on someone to buy you gift before you receive Valentine's gift. Buy the gift for yourself. Okay? Buy the gift for your siblings. The gift for your loved ones. Okay? With that being said, this is the end of the video. Look at how good this hair came out. Now I look like I have love on my head. Period. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Bye.